Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to turn off replies on Instagram story, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So if you don't want to make any mistake, just make sure to watch the full video to the right end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all open up your Instagram app and then just simply come to the menu and tap on three lines on the top right. And here you get an option of settings and privacy. On the right tab, just simply tap on that option. Just scroll down a little bit until you find the option of messages and story replies. In the how others can interact with you section, just simply tap on that option and tap on story replies. And then here you can adjust it from everyone or from people you follow, or if you just want to turn it off, just tap on don't allow story replies, like in this way. So this is how you can easily turn off story replies on Instagram. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.